Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another video, and welcome to a game called The Snow Must Go. Now, I found this game on Alpha Beta Gamer. It's like a comedy point-and-click game. I don't know if it's a point-and-click game. All I know is that this game is supposed to be comedic, so I hope we can get some good laughs, you know what I'm saying. Just so you guys know, the black bar is up here. As you can see, I can actually put my mouse up here, so it's not something on your computer. It's not something that I did while rendering. That's just how the game is, so I wanted you guys to know that. And it's not something I can change in the options either, because it only has resolutions in the options, and I have 1920 by 1080 selected, so there are 4 levels apparently. I don't know how many we'll be able to get through. Oh, I live in a little cliff next to the moon. The future, year 8016. The Earth has exploded into a billion pieces after a horrible war. This is Earth piece number 1,742,016. This is where you have been surviving. Somehow the sun got stuck and you are stuck in winter. It is time to give the sun a pushback that brings spring back. Okay, so to the mountain. What the fuck? Wow, that was weird. I haven't talked in decades, and that's the first thing I say? Yeah. 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 I'll get my mouse off the screen. There's no point in having it in there. Okay, so... how do I get around this? This way? Nope. Do I just walk up to this thing? I can jump. That doesn't do anything. Do I climb the fence? Can't climb the fence. Is there another way around? This way? Yeah, here we go. By the way, I'm sorry if my voice sounds different. I literally just woke up like half an hour ago, I think. I've barely had 1 cup of coffee. Can I make those jumps? I'm assuming so. Press space to jump. Yes, I'm aware. Thank you. What is happening? If I wasn't the only person on this planet, I would definitely go to a psychiatrist. You could be your own psychiatrist. I've seen people do that. They're not mentally insane or anything. Wait, come on. Adjust the view. Or the camera. No. Oh, fuck. I totally made that jump. Nope, I jumped too early. Fuck me. My God. You know, you'd think after all the platformers that I play, I would be, you know, able to make a couple jumps. But, you know, whatever, man. It's whatever. That's just what I have to say about it. Thoughts from Captain. It's weird, but I feel like I'm not alone in the forest tonight. Better be quiet. I'm lost. Help me. Yellow thing. Please, I'm so lonely. Does that look like my problem? Help, it's so dark. No, it isn't. What was that sound? Oh, I think it was me. I'm so sorry. I didn't know. Yeah, I thought I'd run into you. Press space twice to double jump. Okay. That would have been useful earlier, but man, I didn't want to kill that guy. I wanted to help him. What is wrong with me? Yeah, I was wondering the same exact thing. You killed a yellow orb for no reason whatsoever. Ow. Whoa. Pretty. I like the art style in this game. It's so cool. It's so cool. You know, this could very easily have been turned into a horror game. But I'm glad it's not, because otherwise I wouldn't be playing it. Am I supposed to get over there on that thing? Am I just supposed to keep walking? I don't know. Oh no. Whoa. Whoa. What is below me? Why is there like a sudden change from brightness to darkness, like to night sky? Is it supposed to represent the sun or something? Regardless, I need to find a way across. And I think it's this way. Here we go. Yeah, I do get on this log thing, whatever it is. Don't really know, don't really care. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Whoa. Is it snowing up here? It seems like it might be snowing. Huh. Come on, no! Fuck. God, my nose. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Oh wait, I can hold it in. I forgot I could double jump, by the way. God, I'm so stupid. Here we go. By the way, sneeze is gone. I bet you're also interested. So I just fall down here? Okay. Okay, game. I'll take your word for it. You was saying this way. I'm going that way. Where am I now? Am I back on the ground? Because there are trees here. Well, shit. This stupid-ass blizzard makes it extremely difficult for me to know where I'm supposed to go. Oh, I'm back down here to where I started. Because look, there's the log thing. What a load of ass. Why? Why am I all the way back down here? It told me to fall off. Not sure I understand. Except now, it's a full-on blizzard. I don't know. I'm gonna try going up this way again. Maybe this isn't like the other way. This looks a bit different. I actually have no idea if it is. Fuck! No! Okay. Maybe I was supposed to fall down there. Because it didn't, like, kill me or anything. It just, like, took me down here. Yep, this is the same fucking place. Sorry. Oh, my nose. My God. That must have sounded really disgusting. I'm sorry. Is it gonna make me do that again? And I'm fucking back here again. But why? Where am I supposed to go? Okay, I don't want to go that way. I'm going to try going a different way because I don't know where else to go. I'm confused. I'm true confused. I know that's the edge. But where do I go? Okay, I fell off the edge. It's so hard to see anything. Doesn't even look like snow. It just looks like a really dense fog. My God, I don't know where to go. I don't know what to do. Because you guys saw that sign up there, right? It said this way. And then, once you get onto that platform after the sign, it tells you to... I mean, it doesn't tell you, but the only way you can go is... I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna try going up there again. I'm gonna see if I can... If there's another way I can go up there. Like, a way that won't send me all the way down here. Don't fall off. Don't jump. Fucking weird person. Alright, let's try this again. Double jumping. Yeah. Yeah, see, here's the sign. Okay, so I go down this way as I am told. And I don't fall off the edge. I can't look down. Oh, are you kidding me? I didn't know. I didn't see that. Fucking hell. God damn it. Here I was, not being smart whatsoever. Oh god, I have to make this fucking jump. Really? Really, game? You expect me to make that? God damn it, no! Okay, good. Thought it was gonna send me all the way back down there. I was gonna be mad. I was gonna be real mad. I was gonna be fierce. Gonna be furious. Gonna be livid. Yeah, there we go. Alright, I want to complete this level before ending the episode. And then we'll have a second video to complete the game. Because it's short enough to the point where we can just complete the game, no problems. Is there a new mechanic? Is there a new button I need to know for this shit? Or do I need to jump around it? Oh, fuck. Oh, I did it. Yes. Okay, that's not something I can climb on. Or is it? Because I... Oh, it is. I didn't see that. God, I'm not smart. Oh, no, no, no. I didn't know. I didn't see. Fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. Wait a minute. Okay, I thought it sent me all the way back to the start. Oh, gonna be mad. Why is the camera like this? Why can't I move it down? I don't know where I am. That's so stupid. I need to be able to move the camera. And I can't move it with the mouse. Because otherwise I can't see. I can't see where I'm supposed to be. Oh wait, I was already up here. What the hell? Wait, was I? I don't know. Don't fuck me up. Okay, okay. Yes, are we at the end? No, 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 no. Oh, I thought I fell off. I was gonna be mad. Hey, it's the yellow person orb. Well, hello, handsome young traveler. I knew you would come and I made you cookies. Where are they? It just took you so long to get up here, so I ate them all. Oh, you bitch! Yes, you do. You do deserve this. You failed me. You ate all the cookies. Press E to shoot. So this is my life now. Yes, it is. In fact, it is. Get used to it. What am I exactly supposed to shoot? 2, I don't know where to go. Okay, come on. Okay, I'm not supposed to go up that. Am I supposed to go up this? It doesn't look like a ramp. No, the shadow makes it look like a ramp. It's not actually a ramp. So what am I supposed to shoot? This thing? This looks like... Oh, I could break that. Whoa. I got super strength. Alright, guys. Well, that was levels 1 and 2. Okay, hang on. Alright. That was levels 1 and 2 of The Snow Must Go. There will definitely be a second video covering the final levels because I want to complete the game because the game is very short. Because I believe this is only a demo or this is the entire game and it's like an alpha release or something. So the link down to this game is in the description box below if you want to get it for yourself. It's free off of Alpha Beta Gamer. If you really want to see that second episode, it's coming no matter what, but if you really want to show your support, leave a comment down below, like the video, and share it with your friends. It lets me know that you want to see more of any game series I do here on the channel. But if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like. If you didn't, tell me why in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more gaming content to play all sorts of games on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you very much, and I'll talk to you later.